This is Raghu Reddy here, and welcome to the show. On this episode, I have an awesome guest, and her name is Preeti Vikram. Preeti, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, sir. And it's an honor. And I'm really, really happy to be on your show. Thank you so much.
Preeti, it's wonderful to have you on the show. So, Preeti, where are you located?
I live in Bangalore, in India, southern part of India.
So, the
Yes,
Silicon Valley of India. Wow.
that's
Awesome.
right.
Awesome. So, Preeti, what do you do?
I'm a financial advisor. I help in securing people's future needs and requirements. And I also help them to secure their families with a term insurance plan, which is of utmost importance today, which is a need of the hour, insurance being the need of the hour.
Wow, that's fantastic. Awesome. So, Preeti, since how many years have you been doing this awesome job?
Raghu, I've been in this industry for the last 19 years. This is my 19th year, and it's been a great journey. It's been a very satisfying, great journey. I met a lot of people. I have secured over 1,000 lives, and it keeps me going because I'm very passionate about the same.
Wow, that's fantastic. Wonderful. 19 years. That's nearly 2 decades of outstanding service. Awesome. So, Preeti, what made you come into this field?
It's a long story. I used to be a teacher before I joined this industry, and my manager, Vaishali, she was looking for only teachers at that point of time. So she wanted to recruit teachers as advisors. And fortunately, I had resigned as a teacher, and she brought me into this beautiful company, beautiful industry, and I'm ever grateful to her. And I joined this in September 2002 and started my journey from there.
Wow, that's fantastic. Wonderful. So, 19 years, nearly 2 decades. When you came into this industry, I'm sure that you faced a lot of challenges and struggles. So, how did you overcome those struggles?
Yes, in the beginning when I joined, everybody, people did not know what financial planning meant as much as they know today, and but it was a very big struggle. However, I just enjoy meeting people. I'm very passionate, as I said. I enjoy meeting people, and I just love the concept of the financial planning, and the need based selling is what we do. And I just wanted to reach out to more and more people, and that helped me overcome the setbacks. Basically, I ensured I meet more and more people and help them to realize the concept of financial planning. As a financial advisor, I took it as it came, one day at a time, and I stopped getting disappointed. Every day is a new day, so I stopped getting disappointed, and I took it up as a challenge. Every no was a challenge for me. Every no was a challenge, and I would reach out to more people if somebody said no. So that's how I could overcome the setbacks.
Wow, that's really fantastic. Wonderful. So, what's your driving force? So, whenever you have these setbacks, you need to move forward. So, what really drives you? What's your big why?
So whenever somebody says no to me, actually, or somebody has an objection, there are a lot of objections that we face. So, and then I don't go with an intention of selling. So it's basically to spread the word. And I only come out from their office, thinking that this person is going to come back to me someday, and that makes me more confident to reach out to more people. So I don't get disappointed. I only feel sad for people who have not understood the importance of financial planning, and who have not understood the importance of their future security, in terms of retirement, in terms of child education, and of course, the risk protection. What I have believed in and what I have learned over a period of time is insurance is nothing but risk management. and it is not something that you have to have faith in or belief in. It's nothing but risk management. It is to secure one's needs and requirements.
Yes, that's wonderful, wonderful, fantastic, fantastic. So, what have you been doing during this lockdown period?
So I work for this wonderful company called Max Life Insurance. They have always helped us with the fantastic trainings, and also they have helped us to go digital. So digital sales is something that we have adapted ever since the pandemic has started, and because of this digital sales, it has actually helped us to become more productive. And instead of traveling in this traffic and and going to people's offices at a time that's convenient for them. So all that is avoided. Today, everybody, most of them are at home. So this is the best time when we can reach out to more people. So where I used to meet just one or two people a day, I speak to at least 5 or 6 people in a day. And that's how I've been spreading the word of financial planning to at least 5 new people a day.
Wow, that's really wonderful, fantastic, fantastic. So you know that because of this COVID crisis, the everything has changed. The marketplace has changed, the economy has changed, and of course, the future is not going to be the same as the past. So there's going to be a lot more challenges in the future. So how are you geared up to meet those challenges to serve your clients better?
Yes, it is very challenging. It's quite strenuous. It is quite, more of hard work in terms of servicing the clients as well, because now everybody is getting panic and everybody wants us to be at their, side, for surrenders or for probably for helping us to understand how do they go about paying off their premiums and so on and so forth. So it is very challenging, but at the same time, it is quite exciting. It is quite, interesting, quite exciting to go back to our existing clients, to meet new people, helping them, counseling them and telling them that, that we are all facing the same thing. So these challenges keep coming and we have to overcome it by becoming more positive and not letting that particular, whether it's the pandemic, come in the way of our day-to-day life. We have to take it as it comes. And that's what I've been doing.
Wow, fantastic, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So what's your personal vision for the future?
I've always had this vision because of some real life incidents that I faced, being in terms in monetarily as well as in terms of death, where I have seen it, and I've seen how families struggle when the breadwinner of the family is no more. My vision is to secure, to ensure that every individual, whoever I come across, whoever I've known and whoever I come across, first thing first is the foundation, which is the term insurance plan, which is the risk protection. And I would like them to have that for themselves so that they live in peace, and then they can get into other financial products.
Wow, that's awesome. Fantastic,
So
fantastic.
to reach out to more people. And this year I have a goal of 100. I'm already on 30, so I have to achieve 70 more.
Wow, fantastic. You'll definitely achieve it.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome, awesome. So, Preeti, what would be your advice to a newcomer to the field?
So Raghu, I've also been promoted as an agency associate, which I've been doing for a couple of years now. And as an agency associate, I head a team of financial advisors. And I have created MDRTs in my team, that is the $1 Million Roundtable members in my team as well. And basically, my advice to the newcomers is to never give up on this beautiful industry of financial planning, because this is the only way that you can help people to secure themselves. So not to give up on this industry, it can't get better than this. It is not all about earning more money, but it is all about helping people, seeing this smile on their faces, in terms of when there is a crisis or when there is no crisis, because they would have saved for their future needs and requirements. So my only advice to advisors is, the financial advisors, is don't give up, keep working towards it, do a goal setting for yourself and have a vision.
Wow.
Be focused. Be focused is what I say.
Yeah. That's fantastic advice. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you.
So you said you have a team in place. So how big is your team?
So I have about 15 advisors with me, and I believe in having advisors who have a vision, So I just don't want to grow my team to be bigger just by taking everybody. I want them to understand what we are all about. And then, so I have about 15 people with me as of now.
That's awesome. Yes. That's awesome. Fantastic. So how is your team taking with this crisis? So how are they preparing themselves for the future?
Yes, the same thing, the digital sales. And we have constant trainings from New York Life and from our training managers who are experts in this field, and from our top management, who keep helping us to, train, to keep training us rather, and help us to understand the market, help us to understand the concept better, help us to reach out to more and more people, basically. So the same thing with my advisors as well. So I also have meetings with them and help them to, get more confident and not to lose hope during this crisis.
Wow, that's wonderful, fantastic. So if someone wants your services or want to join your team as a financial advisor, how they can get in touch with you?
Yes, I would be more than glad to have somebody on my team, and they could reach out to me on my mobile, which is 99455 69709, or they could email me on priti maxlife@gmail.com, or they could get connected me on social media on Facebook, and they could visit my group Insurance Hut, as well as my LinkedIn profile. Yes, they could get connected to me on LinkedIn.
Wow, that's fantastic. Awesome, Preeti. So, Preeti, it was really wonderful having this conversation with you and learning about your journey of 19 years and how you became a financial advisor and how you're making such a huge impact in so many people's lives. And I wish you all the very best for your future, not only to grow yourself and make a bigger impact, but to build your team, a world-class team, so that you can reach out to more people and make a much more bigger impact and a difference in a lot more people's lives.
Thank you so much, Raghu, for having me, and it's really an honor, and I would definitely be in touch with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being on this show.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.